Hello friends, glad to meet you all with another important update on GST returns. Yes, in today's video we are going to see the important tasks to be done while filing your September 2020 GST returns, which falls due on 20th of October 2020. The first and foremost important task to be done is correction of GSTR return 1 for the financial year 2019-20. If you have any corrections to be made in your GSTR 1 return for the year 2019-20 pertaining to any month from April to March, you have to do it now while filing the September 2020 GSTR 1. If you want to make any corrections with regard to tax invoice, B2C sales, debit notes, credit notes, export sale, anything which you are going to declare in GSTR 1, if you want to make any corrections, this is the last date. While filing September 2020 returns, you have to carry out those corrections. This is the second task. If you have missed out any payment of taxes during the year 1920, or if you have made any excess taxes payment during the year 2019-20, this is the time to adjust all your short payment and excess payment of taxes. You have to do this while filing your September 2020 GSTR returns. The third important task being, if you want to issue any credit notes for supplies pertaining to year 2019-20, yes, you can do that while filing this September 2020 returns. Please ensure that you include those credit notes in your September 2020 returns. The fourth task is reporting of debit notes issued in 2019-20. If you have missed any debit notes which you have issued, please ensure that you include it while filing the September 2020 GST returns. That is the fourth task. The fifth task is a very important task. That is nothing but if you have failed to avail any input tax credit for purchases effected during the year 2019-20, this is the last date, that is September 2020 returns. You can claim the input tax credit relating to 2019-20 which you have missed earlier, or if you want to make any corrections in those input tax credit, yes, you can make use of this opportunity and do it before filing this September 2020 GST returns. The sixth task is another important task which many people miss out. Yes, if you have any reversal of input tax credit to be done for the year 2019-20 on account of exempt supplies or personal consumption, this is the last date to reverse those input tax credits. Please reverse those input tax credits while filing your September 2020 GST returns. Last but not the least, we have a special provision introduced in April where we were allowed to claim the input tax credit in spite of difference between GSTR 2A. As per notification 30/2020 dated 3rd April, the central government had allowed to claim all the input tax credit irrespective of the fact whether it is appearing in your GSTR 2A or not, with the condition that the difference to be adjusted cumulatively while filing your September 2020 GSTR returns. Yes, if you have availed those input tax credits without checking the availability as per GSTR 2A, now you have to calculate all those differences and the cumulative adjustment has to be done while filing the GSTR for the month of September 2020. Please ensure you carry out all these tasks without fail while filing your September 2020 GSTR returns. Hope this video was useful to you. Please subscribe to my channel and share it, and if you have any clarifications, please post it in the comment box. Thank you.